Future Doctors of America is a 10-week after-school program designed for middle school students to educate them about the heart disease and heart disease prevention. Heart disease is still the #1 cause of death here in the United States, as it has been for nearly 100 years now. Yeah, Future Doctors of America has 3 primary purposes. The first is to educate middle school students about heart disease and heart disease prevention, things that they can be doing for themselves to live healthier. That's the first priority. That's the first objective. The second objective of Future Doctors of America is to inspire middle school students into going into healthcare in the future. And the third is simply to bring this knowledge to their community. So in week 10 of the program, we have a community health fair where these students will be taking blood pressure and listening to pulse and telling their parents about living healthy for in their local community. So in this 10-week program, the students have actually done quite a bit already. They've learned the structure of the heart, they've learned the function of the heart, they've learned how to take pulse, they have their own stethoscopes, they've learned how to listen to a heartbeat, they've learned how to take blood pressure, they've learned about some of the most common causes of heart disease. They had a visit from the fire department where they got to see emergency response material. I'll tell you, the first day of class, I was teaching them how to take pulse, and one of the students looked at me and her eyes got really big and she said, "That's my blood pumping through my veins?" She took a look at the student next to her and said, "Hey, let me feel your blood." From that day on, I knew that this program was going to be the highlight of my week. When they're here, that they're participating and that they're asking questions and that they're curious. They don't take any tests, they don't have any quizzes, but they are expected to be here every week and participate. The feedback from parents has also been very positive. One of the assignments one week was to draw a picture of a heart, and one of the students' mother was so impressed that she took a picture of it. And I heard from somebody that she hadn't seen pictures that good since medical school. So the feedback has been really positive that we've received from the parents so far also. The Institute for Natural Medicine has been wonderful to work with. They're the organization that found this location at Jefferson Middle School. They're the organization that provided the funding for us to be here at Jefferson Middle School. They're really the reason that this pilot was able to happen here this spring in San Gabriel. Seeing the impact with the students there, seeing the impact that the students were able to have with their parents in regards to their health, I knew how important a program like Future Doctors of America is for the future of healthcare in this country. And so I came to Michelle Simon in the Institute for Natural Medicine, let her know that I was hoping to do this program, asked her if she'd be interested in helping me with it, and she stood up right away and said, "Yeah, of course, we love this program." In my opinion, if we're really to make any changes in this direction, it's got to start with our kids. And being able to work with 11, 12, 13, 14-year-old students, educate them about their heart, how their heart works, what they can do to protect their heart, whether it be diet or exercise or meditation or stress management or drinking less or not smoking or any of these things, really the future starts with them.